Hi guys, welcome to the video and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use SEAFOAM on an engine that really isn't working too good. We're also going to try to do a burnout after we put the SEAFOAM in the gas. The intake manifold, we got a spray for SEAFOAM we're going to use in that. We're going to just SEAFOAM everything and see if this thing will actually do a good burnout. So stay tuned. Alright, so this fine automobile is a 1998 Ford Mustang. It's got, what, 222,000 miles on it. The engine shakes like a can of spray paint when you're trying to graffiti a wall. It's pretty bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to make it do a burnout after all that. SEAFOAM. Oh, the seat is really badly rusted. And I don't think it's going to run. Yeah. Nothing. And that's because the alternator doesn't charge the engine. So we got to hook up a battery jump starter. Wow, the steering wheel's even falling apart. Hook up a battery jump starter, charge up the battery, spray SEAFOAM down the intake, put it in the gas. We'll see if it runs any better after that. And then we're also going to do a burnout. We're going to make this thing pop the tire or blow the engine. Whatever comes first, or maybe we'll do both. So let's get started on that. All right. Now this thing is not really a powerhouse. It's a 3.8 liter V6. Like I said, 222,000 miles, but it does have some pretty cool mods on it. Number one, the oversized battery so the hood doesn't shut right. And number two, it's got the muffler removed on it. And number three, it's got these beautiful 1-inch headers, not 1 3/8, not 1.5 inches, 1-inch headers. So that's way more performance than your stock manifold. Also, it has a new coil on it. If it survives this, we might fix the alternator and do some more crazy stuff with this car. We'll see. But let's first get this battery charged so we can do some real burnouts. Gosh, does the steering wheel adjust? Oh, there we go. Hey, I think I can get in easier now. All right, where's the key? So the battery should be fully charged now. Oh yeah. Yeah. Alright, so what we're going to be using is SEAFOAM motor treatment. You put this right in the gas, the oil. Hell, we'll put in the transmission, we'll put in the power steering, we'll put into everything. And we'll make this, because that power steering pump's noisy, we gotta see if it'll fix that. And we're also gonna use this top end engine cleaner and lube. Oh yeah, this has a lock-in gas cap. Doesn't work. So, 5 ounces, that's about, yeah, it's about 5 ounces. There we go. There's like no blow-by. Alright, let's just start pouring that in there. Oh, I missed. There we go. Yeah, that's about right. Hopefully this is a flammable steering pump. It's so noisy, I hate it. Where is it? There it is. So, splashing that. Oh yeah. Where the transmission is at. Where's the transmission? What the hell? Well, we're not going to get to that. It's way down in there. I'm not going to try to pour it. You can't even get to this stuff the way they wrap it up, like they're trying to keep me from using it. Run engine to warm intake, then turn off accessories and shut off engine. Loosen and remove the intake boot from the throttle body with a hook guide and cleaning tube. Oh, that's probably this thing. Okay. Where were we? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, after hot soak, start and drive the vehicle under the engine load for 10 minutes or longer. So after we let it hot soak, we're gonna do a burnout for 10 minutes or longer to see if this stuff will work. And it's apparently gonna make a lot of smoke, so we're gonna have tire smoke and SEAFOAM smoke. All right. We got this out of the way, and now, in there. Oh baby, we are ready to roll. Must be working. So now we're gonna fire up this pig. And we're gonna start spraying some seafoam until the whole can is gone. Then we're gonna shut it off. And then, what do you mean? You're supposed to spray it. Sit it. You're supposed to spray. It says you're supposed to spray. It says you're supposed to spray the whole can in the directions, I'm pretty sure. When I said 2 to 4 ounces, that was for the small engine. So don't worry. That's not a, yes, it's a small engine, but it sounds so much better already with the other stuff. All right, let's get to spraying. So the whole can is what they asked for. Alright, so that's the whole can. So now we gotta get this off of there. And now we're gonna put this all back to normal and let it sit for 10 minutes, it said, I believe. I threw the instructions behind me. But I believe you let it sit for 10 minutes and then we start it up and we put it under a load, which will be a burnout, and it should smoke like crazy. I mean, it already smoked really bad because the whole can took forever. There we go. So 10 minutes from right now, and then we'll get back to it and we'll see what this thing will do when we fire it up. Oh man, it's so smoky in here. We should turn on that fan. All right. There we go. Right. That'll help a little bit. I actually have a great idea how to fix this. Stop. Hold on. That. It's much faster now, see? It's actually a lot quieter too. Wow, that actually made it so much faster. I'm actually shocked. SEAFOAM, you've done it again! So this is what we're gonna do. It's been about 10 minutes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the car. We're gonna do a burnout to put a load on the engine to help clean out the engine, the top end, and lube it, just like the directions say. They say drive it around. We're gonna do a burnout. Yeah. Almost started in gear, it felt like. Great. Oh, you almost died. Wow, now that is how you do a burnout. Something happened, the engine actually just shut off. I don't know what happened. I don't know if I actually killed it or not. Oh, there's stuff all over the engine. There's smoke coming out of the darn convertible top area. Wow. Here's just a little shot of the tire carnage. It is all the way over there. You gotta go all the way down in first and start just banging it up into gear. So there you guys go. That's what SEAFOAM will do to your engine. It'll make it do a good burnout. Yeah, this is about 10 minutes after the burnout. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe. Oh yeah, you can. Very, very hard to see in this lighting, but it is still smoking. I'm telling you, what did it actually, I think, was the SEAFOAM on the tire. That's what actually ended up, wow, there's nothing left of this tire. The SEAFOAM on the tire actually is probably what made it do such a good burnout. I mean, it's, you know what? It's like a drag radial now. Wow. Well, there you guys go. That's how you end up killing a Mustang 3.8 liter V6. Burnout till it shuts off. Go ahead and comment below. Hit that thumbs up button. Please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.